Hey there. My purpose in life is to show you how to remove the barriers preventing you from creating the life you were born to live. And you say, not me, Rita, I'm fine. I certainly don't have any barriers, but I do have a friend who could really use your services. Let me tell you, for 40 years plus of my life, I too felt that I was fine. I was managing the ups and downs of my family, my life, my career, until the day I decided I wanted to be better than fine. And it wasn't until I brought on a spiritual coach that I realized there was one barrier in particular from years past that caused me to doubt myself, make me feel less than, and prevented me from embracing my purpose. Barriers are typically born from something that happened to you during childhood. Maybe something was said about you or to you. Here's my question. How long have other people's opinions about you lived in your head rent-free? Barriers cause you to feel inexplicable guilt, profound sadness, and loneliness. It can bring on constant anger and self-proclaimed doubt. You find yourself unable to make decisions, unable to figure out next steps, unable to complete tasks, and you constantly question your self-worth. Barriers, they lead to procrastination. Barriers, they lead to addictive behavior and, of course, depression. Identifying, facing, and finally releasing the barrier brings a sense of freedom and a second chance for you to live your life. Because when you change your perspective, you actually change your reality. The more you learn about yourself, the better understanding you have of where those behaviors come from and why you are constantly at war with them. Going deeper within myself enabled me to find real joy, genuine peace, and true love for me. And that's what I want for you. Give yourself permission to live life to the fullest and let me work through your barriers with you. Not tomorrow, not next year, but right now. Contact me today for the changes that will impact your life forever. I am Rita, speaking to your spirit.